Hello, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 1822 McAllister. This is unit number 1. Okay, fantastic. This is located in the Nopa, north of Panhandle neighborhood, near Alamo Square and Divisadero. Lots to see and do in this area. Here is the aerial shot of the building. Here's the McAllister Street. Just lovely, beautiful street, little cafe, sandwich shop, convenience store on the corner. The unit right here is number 1. We're looking right at it with those bay windows. No unit is below it, so you don't have to worry about anything like that. Okay, let's go ahead and step up into the unit. People in the building are really nice, and they have a lovely shared backyard we're going to take a look at. This is unit number 1, front facing, lots of natural light. Gorgeous hardwood floors. Lovely bay window with 3 double hung windows. Currently this unit's occupied, but she's going to be moving out because she bought a house. So it should be becoming vacant and will be unfurnished. And we'll have all the details on the website. Newer style windows, double pane. Heater right there. Let's just take in this shot here. Oh, there we go. Let's get the wide angle going so we can see everything. Fantastic. Large eat-in kitchen, gas range, fridge, tall ceilings. One full bath with a shower over tub. And a nice size bedroom. Certainly can accommodate a queen size bed. Probably even a king, but a decent sized closet right behind that door there. Okay, let's take a look at the shared backyard. It's pretty fantastic. Light filled, tables, chairs. Picnic tables. And here's what the rear of the building looks like. And there is a laundry in the bike room. Okay, that concludes our tour. Thank you so much for watching and best of luck in your home search.